To add your Instagram link to your Snapchat public profile, follow the steps. First of all, open your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on Share Profile. Go ahead and copy the link. Now come back, open your Snapchat account, and make sure that you're also logged in with your specific account. Once you're in the homepage, tap on the Bitmoji icon or the avatar icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on Public Profile that is beside My Account option. Tap on it. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your profile settings, and then click on Edit Your Profile. From the profile information that is available, tap on Bio and paste your Instagram link that you recently copied. And your bio will be updated to the link of your Instagram profile. Snapchat will automatically create a link to your Instagram profile, and once done, exit the settings and your Instagram link will now appear on your Snapchat public profile, allowing others to access your Instagram directly. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.